Hey guys, Anthony here with a quick sneak peek into StoryXY, which is a new 3D desktop video creation app launching on May 7th, 2018. Here is an example of a 3D video that I created using this app using two 3D characters. StoryXY comes with a library of 3D characters, male and female 3D characters, as you can see here, along with specially designed 3D scenes to help you create unique 3D videos. To create a video in StoryXY, you start by choosing a 3D scene, and here's where the magic happens. Next, you add a 3D character. You can use these filters to sort through male and female characters. I will choose this one, Blake, and you will see it added here, as well as in the scene itself. Next, you choose a voice. You can use the built-in text-to-speech engine and then add a phrase line down below. To start building a scene, you can change the camera angles at any time during the video. As you can see, there are several different camera angles to choose from. I'll go with this one, and you can continue adding more phrase lines and adding different camera angles. You can also control the actions and facial expressions of the 3D character using these options. As you can see here, I've built a full video project by adding more phrase lines and camera angles. Once you're done, you can use these buttons to preview, save, and render your video project. I will be creating more in-depth review, demo, and walkthrough videos, so I won't get into too much detail, but here is how this video project came out.
Hi, this is Anthony and I would like to introduce to you StoryXY, the next generation 3D avatar app that is ready to take your video creation to the next level. You see, with this new video app, you can control the 3D avatar, as well as the scenes at specific points during your video. Look out for my next video for more details.